Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much. Today is 2022 January, the January 7th Forex Trading Plan OK， 大家好，欢迎你们都回来这里了哈。今天这个单元哈，在这里我们要做的就是我们的计划哈。Alright, thank you. Hi Fab, 你好。Alright, so and we have CK, 你好。Oh well, Bradley. Wow, good. You have 2 TP yesterday. Good, thank you. Alright. So hi Hubert. Okay, now Carol, Flora, Roger. Wow, thank you so much for coming back here. Okay. Right, thank you so much for coming in here. Well, quickly, let's go into our analysis. Okay, let me see who are the people here. Oh, Jenna, 你好，新年快乐，新年快乐。Okay, all right. So yes, Roger. 什么时候过来 KL？ 哦，什么时候过去 KL 啊 ？OK， I think 现在是可以飞了哈，不过应该还不是很安全的飞过去哈。OK， 所以我不想再添加那边的病例哈。OK， 好的哈。Anyway， OK， 我 so far so good， 还很健康，没有任何的情况哈。OK，so yeah，let's go。OK，can I have the MT4 please？ OK，so yep，let's go for the MT4 now. Alright. Okay, so that's good. Okay, now we are coming in. Alright, so the same thing, I will be conducting this session in both English and also Mandarin. Alright, okay, thank you. Alright, so let's come. Okay, 讲多一点中文的吗？我会说中文 ，OK， 那么我会用英语和中文一起说哈，一起讲解 ，OK， 好不好？Alright, okay, so yes, now quickly let's come in and let's see what we are going to have. Okay, guys, remember, okay, to follow me on my YouTube channel, okay, because in 2022, I'm going to share a lot of Forex trading ideas with you over the YouTube. So remember to click on the subscribe button so that you can receive the notification, okay, and make sure you ring up the bell, okay. Alright, so let's not waste any more time. We only have 30 minutes before the market opens. Okay, Aussie CAD. Let's talk about Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD, yes, now coming back to retest. Okay, coming back to retest the whole support over here. So currently, it seems like it still continue to going down for the selling. Okay, so tentatively, let's check. Okay, we are now trying to break the support level. Okay, the support level is over here. Let's see. Yep. Okay, so yeah, this is a support level. There's a support level over here. So this support level, we have about another 16 pips to go. It's pretty small, okay? It's pretty small, but we're still able to do some trading, or if not, we just wait for it to break the support. Okay, all right. OK，今天呢，在这样看的话呢，这个澳加哈，澳加呢现在一直在往下重踩那个支撑。尝试要突破那个支撑啊，所以呢，现在在这一看的话呢，如果它重踩这个支撑，它可以要尝试突破的话，我们现在只离这个支撑位置只有16个点数，所以这16个点数呢，我倒觉得说，还是等它突破这个支撑，然后呢，才来真正的去做空会比较安全一些。要做多的朋友呢，其实要等它到了支撑，观察了以后才知道说能不能做多，对不对 ？OK， 所以现在好像两边都没有得做，所以暂时不做它了哈。OK，Alright， so next to go is this Aussie franc. Alright, Aussie franc, 澳瑞 Aussie franc over here. Let's take a look. Aussie franc. Aussie franc is still under the consolidation area. Okay, so now it's still trying to break the support as well. So H4, the support, let's take a look. The support area is still here. We are left with about only 14 pips. Only 14 pips. 14 pips to go. So tentatively, if you are grabbing a 5, I think it's pretty fair. Okay, it's still able to go for 5 pips. But if you want me to go for more than that, I think I better not. Okay, let me check where's the resistance area that we are looking out for. Wow, the resistance is over up here and it has gone down, now creating a lower high here. Okay, so a lower high here is another resistance. So the resistance has already started running. So over here is really pretty, okay. Space is still quite tight to me. Alright, so I will still be thinking that it may not be so optimistic for me to carry on the short unless another 5 pips. OK， 如果这个澳瑞的话呢，要拿5个点还是可以的哈，因为现在目前这样看的话，它在这里有一些的这个空间有一点小，那么这有一点小的空间里面又到了很快就要到支撑位置了嘛。所以呢，在这个支撑位置的话呢，现在这一看的话，我倒觉得说只有14个点数哈，只有14个点数，10到14个点数之间，所以呢，看起来好像空间不是很大，5个点还有可能 ，OK， 因为现在还是算是重踩这个支撑的这个范围啊，所以呢，现在目前这样一看的话呢，它还是比较小一点可以啦哈，那少一点点数还是算是可以的 ，OK， 好。今天晚上非农，OK， so 今天晚上的非农 ，OK， alright， so yes, tonight is a non-farm payroll, alright, so later I will brief a little bit, OK， 好，等一下我会讲解一下好了 ，OK， so now let's move into Aussie Yen, alright, Aussie Yen over here, Aussie Yen, we are now looking at Aussie is still in this, we are tentatively still running downwards, okay, to have a selling signal right now. Okay, so since we are going for selling, okay, then let's check. We are now, oh, just nice. We have reached. We have not reached really. Yeah, okay. Okay, somehow rather, okay, this is support level over here. If this is not going to break, it's not going to short. Okay, because the resistance level is pretty high up, Okay, so tentatively, if you are going to ask me if I'm going to short, for Aussie Yen, I will rather wait for it to break the support and the new resistance below the support, then I will sell. Okay, alright. OK， 所以在这个澳日的话呢，澳日目前这一看的话呢，澳日它目前现在这样看的话呢，要做空就必须要先突破这个支撑位置，在底下支撑底下有新的压力逢点出现 ，OK， 然后才做空，好不好 ？OK， 这目前这样看的话呢，其实它的这个做空的机会不是没有，不过一定要突破支撑，好不好 ？OK。Alright, so let's move again. Aussie Kiwi. Right, Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi, tentatively, we are still in the bull run. Today is going to have a retracement in the bull. Retracement in the bull. Okay. So tentatively, if we are going to look at selling, okay, I will not be very keen in that selling yet. Okay, because we are on the support. We are on the support here. Okay, we are right on the support. Okay, so now you can see this is on this this area of support here has been tested once, twice, and we are still here. Okay, so over here, each one we are left with a little bit of space, about 5 pips. If you want to sell, you have to break the support level. You got to break the support level, but it's a retracement trading. I would advise sellers stay away. Okay, just stay away. All right. 好了，那么这个澳纽啊，这澳纽今天呢，其实还是在牛市，今天是回调日。OK， 回调日啊，所以你做空其实是在做一个回调单，是逆势交易来的。OK， 所以呢比较没有那么的好啦啊。OK， 好的，那么在这一段里面的话呢，这个澳纽的话呢，现在暂时这样看的话呢，我是觉得说做多的机会是比较大的，好，所以做空就不要了，因为今天是回调，等一下随随便便它就可以一个支撑一出现，它就会要往上升了哈。OK， 所以呢这个要注意一下哈。Alright, so next moving to Aussie dollar. Alright, Aussie dollar. Let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar has short since last October when we drew this. You still remember? Okay. If you still remember, then we have a short and now it's hitting on the bull, coming back, and now today we are going to retest. We're going to retest the support level. Okay. So Aussie dollar is going to retest for the support level. Yes, good to sell. Okay, it's good to sell if we are already on the resistance. The resistance has already started to run. Okay, over here, if you can see the resistance. And the support level, let me see, the support level, one here, okay, over here. So we still have about another 30 pips to go. Aussie dollar, okay, right. We still have about 30 pips to go for selling. Tentatively, if you're going to sell right now, you're chasing and there's one little support here. So I would rather wait for new resistance, let's go up again, then short. Okay, so Aussie dollar. Yeah, Aussie dollar. We are going to put into our list. Okay, Aussie dollar. Okay, so that we know what we are going to do later on. Alright. Okay. 澳美可以做空，但是先等它回调上去，然后呢遇到了压力位置的时候才开始做空哈。OK， 好不好 ？Alright, so let's move into Euro Aussie. Right, Euro Aussie. Yes, Euro Aussie is very clear that we are moving onto the bull, into the bull. So we are still in the bull market right now. So right now we are still in the bull. So it is still very optimistic to move upwards. Okay, it is still a buying market right now. So it's not for us to sell. So buyers take note. Okay, once there's a new support, okay, you have missed over here. Okay, all right, over here. So if the next support, okay, then you can continue the buy. Okay, if not, stay away. All right. 欧澳只能做多了，不能做空了哈。如果要做多的人呢，已经错过了一个支撑，然后呢，现在不能做多，做多就要做在支撑位置上，做空就要做在压力位置里。OK， 好不好 ？Alright, so next to go EURCAD. EURCAD, okay, EURCAD. Okay, EURCAD over here. Yeah, okay. Hey, come on, Eric, please be serious. The two of you are giving a joke, so I have to give you some smile, alright? So okay, so right now, come on. Okay, EURCAD over here. EURCAD, if coming to this session here, is actually having a support, and you see it's testing on the higher low, another higher low, so it is still in the bull run. Am I right? It's still running on the bull. So tentatively yesterday, okay, it had retraced and now it hits on the support. Now it's going to retest. Seems like it's going to build up another support and likely it will go for a buy. So tentatively, buying is still very optimistic rather than for selling. No, I won't go for selling. Okay, all right. OK， 所以欧加的话，目前现在其实是在牛市，要开始那个牛市啦。我们看到它这里有更高的低点，更高的低点，每一次更高的低点 就是一个支撑，每一次的一个支撑就是要往上升的机会就变大了，所以大家都也要注意这个哈。OK， 所以现在啊 ，Let's take a look over here. OK，let's take a look over here of Euro Pound. Okay, Euro Pound over here. Well, Euro Pound is now moving downwards. Okay, breaking through the support area, and now finally it gives a support down here. Yesterday I was saying that the Euro Pound actually for this cycle, okay, in this cycle it actually hits the rock bottom. So I rather not trade. And today it seems like it's also building up the support, going to have a good buy ahead. All right. So tentatively, if you are going for a buy, yes, it's a good chance. But sellers, I think we have to stay away first. Okay, let's stay away for Euro Pound. Okay. 好，欧镑的话，我们先暂时呢就不要做交易了哈，这个往上做多的可能性很大。OK， 那么呢，往下做空的机会已经是在谷底了，已经开始好像几乎要到零啊哈。OK， 所以呢，我们就先跳过。EUROKIWI， alright, EUROKIWI, we are in the bull, so the bull has actually consolidated over here. Okay, and now it actually comes to the support and it's not breaking down the support. Okay, and it is still continue the buying to test on the resistance. Okay, so for buyers, please bear in mind for EUROKIWI, you got to break the resistance and new support. Okay, once the new support is above the resistance that form up, then it's a good time for you to buy. All right. Okay. Yes. All right. So EUROKIWI 哈 ，OK， 欧纽的话呢，欧纽现在目前呢这一看的话呢，就有做多的现象，因为是在牛市，而且牛市以后呢，现在在这里呢遇到了压力，回来到支撑的位置的时候呢，在这边开始有一点震动哈。那么这个震动呢，其实就在这里累积所有的这个单量啊，好像已经开始几乎就是要往上推来突破这个压力位置。那么如果它真的突破这个压力位置的话呢，有新的支撑会出现的话，才可以做多 ，OK， 好不好？所以最后讲到了欧纽就是要做多，不可以做空哈。OK， so next moving on with this euro dollar, okay, euro dollar over here is still consolidating in this support area right at the bottom here. So tentatively is like a sideway. Yeah, all right. So it's still in the sideway. So currently, if I'm looking at it, if I'm trading on the sideway, make sure you are on the resistance, then you can start selling. If it's hit on the support, you can start buying. Okay, you have to know which level of the chart it is in. And in that way, you will be able to apply the correct strategy into the correct chart. Okay, so that is very important as well. Okay, so over here, Euro dollar H4 is still in the ranging sideway. So ranging sideway, very likely you hit on the resistance, you come down, you hit the support, it goes up. Okay, so that's very simple theory over for Euro dollar. All right. Okay, so for Euro dollar, today is still under the sideways situation. So look out for resistance to sell, look out for support to buy. Both ways you can do. All right, but you must enter selling at the resistance. Okay, right. So that is very important, right? Like now, okay, like now we have a resistance. Okay, and looks like we got a chance. Okay, and yep, we are into the resistance area. So euro dollar, okay, we got a chance. Euro dollar, okay. Alright, I got a chance to sell. Alright, 欧美现在是有机会做空了啊！现在因为我这一看的话呢，它是在盘整，你要看到吗？这些在盘整的，所以呢，现在这一段里面盘整哈，所以我们这一看的话呢，现在目前盘整的情况呢，在这个底部哈，通常都会有上上下下，对不对？所以当它在压力位置的时候做空，在支撑位置的时候做多 ，OK， 可是不可以拿太多，因为空间在这个盘整的空间不是很大。才24个点而已哦，OK， 好不好 ？Alright, so let's move on. Alright, let's move on. สวัสดีครับ聽เขา了嗎 I think it should beนะ，OK. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video until here, okay? And I would like to ask for subscribe. Okay, if you are watching this video with me, okay, right now, okay, so remember to click on the subscribe button, ring up the bell so that you get the notification whenever I go live every day to analyze the chart for our forex trading plan. Okay, all right, so yeah, let's see what do we have for pound Aussie. Pound Aussie, yes, again we are moving into bull, trying to break the resistance. So in the bull market, it's easy to break the resistance. So for buyers, same thing, you have to break the resistance, and you have a support. Once you have a new support above the resistance, it's time to buy. Okay, sellers stay away. Sellers stay away. Why? Why do I have to stay away since this is a resistance? Yes, this is a resistance. Okay, I agree that this is a resistance. However, it has been supported very strongly. Okay, and looks like because the support has run and in the bull market. So support in the bull is in trend. Okay, so it will actually go straight and break the resistance easily. Okay, so one over here the resistance has set up. One tries, second try, getting higher and higher. All right, so the resistance is getting weaker and weaker as well. So most likely it's going to break and continue the long. Okay, so pound Aussie can only buy, no selling. All right。OK， 所以在这个半澳的话呢，就只能做多哈。同样的，要先突破这个压力位置，在压力位置以上有新的支撑出现的时候，才开始做单子哦。OK，All right, so let's move on to pound CAD. Pound CAD. Pound CAD, we have building up. Okay, we have a resistance over here, and now testing the resistance, and it's not breaking. Yesterday coming down. All right, so that sounds good. That looks good. So tentatively, okay, pound CAD, if we are going to sell, please make sure it will retrace upwards first. It will retrace upward, okay, and give us a new resistance before we start selling. Okay, we need a new resistance for pound CAD. Okay, pound CAD is important, huh? We need to have a new resistance before we can sell. Okay, pound CAD. Okay, so let's move. 棒家的话呢，今天有机会做空了哈，棒家。不过要做空的话呢，现在在这一段里面的话，它必须要先回调，然后新的压力出现压着的时候才开始做单子，这样的话就会比较容易一些了哈。OK，All right, so that's for pound CAD. Okay, pound CAD I think very straightforward. Okay, we need a new resistance. Okay, all right. So now pound franc. Let's take a look at pound franc. Pound franc, we are now trying to move into the bull. Okay, so into the bull market and trying to break the resistance up here. So it's still on the buying side. So there's no way that we are going to sell for pound franc. Okay, so buying is possible. Same thing, break the resistance. Okay, break the resistance before we actually go for a buy. Break the resistance, new support. Then go for a buy. Okay, selling is no. All right. 棒瑞不能做空，只能做多。同样的，要先突破那个压力位置，之后在压力以上开始有了支撑呢，我们才开始在这个支撑以上，这个压力的支撑以上才开始做多。OK. Alright, so how about pound yen? Alright, yesterday I was talking about pound yen. So pound yen, we are now in the bull market running very strongly and meeting up with a resistance over in H4, and now it's coming down. Okay, really, not really, but we are into the resistance area very soon. Okay, and it may have a chance to sell. So today, can we actually have a selling for this pound yen? I would say you may have a chance. But the thing is that over here, it is still showing that we are going for a very strong buying. Well, looks like it's going to be a very strong buying. Okay, but then again, it's still getting near to the resistance. It can be also weak. So I would advise if you want to sell pound yen, I would say you still have plenty of space to go. Okay, about 35 pips to go. Then I guess this is still can consider a good buy. Okay, a good selling. Sorry. Okay, so but now we are on the resistance level. So tentatively we are over here. We have a resistance. Okay, let's see. Okay, the resistance is here. So we may be looking out for an opportunity, okay, to sell this pound yen. Looks like okay, it's coming. Okay, another 10 minutes to go to determine whether should we enter for pound yen. Okay, all right. So pound yen we can focus. OK， 棒日的话，我们今天又可以关注了哈。棒日的话呢，要的话呢，现在目前的话呢，就是要等待它先出现的这个，现在已经出现这个压力了啊。那个压力其实在这边哦。那么呢，现在是有一点点的空间，所以呢，还是有机会做空。OK， 好，这个棒日还是可以关注啊。Alright, so next to go is Pound Kiwi. Pound Kiwi is very strong. It is still in the bull run, and the bull is still running. So buying is possible. Okay, but you may experience a drop today, a slight drop. Okay, there may be a small slide over. Then the new support come. Yes, then you continue the buy. Okay, selling is definitely out. Okay. 好了，那么棒牛的话呢，今天还是在牛市里面，可以继续做多 ，OK， 可以继续做多。那么呢，现在目前这一看的话呢，它的这个会有往下滑了一阵，才有支撑，才会继续再上，所以要的话可以把握一下 ，OK， 不过我是不会要做了哈，这种空单 ，OK， 我是不会要做这样的空单子哈。All right, so pound dollar. Let's talk about pound dollar. Pound dollar, we are hitting on the bull, and now it's running on the bull. All right, so everything is buying, it's still bull, it's still in the buy. Okay, so since it's still in the buy, all right, so tentatively it has failed unless it breaks the support here. Okay, unless it breaks the support over here, then I will continue the selling. If not, okay, I will stay put. Okay, I will stay put before I do out any trading plan for pound dollar. Okay, stay put. OK， then 棒美的话，现在这个棒美呢，其实现在开始要走上的是牛市。那么在开始要走上的是牛市的这个过程里面呢，现在在这里，如果它突破这个支撑位置的话呢，我是会想要做空。但是如果它是继续在上的话呢，我倒觉得说这个就不可以再做了。好，所以呢，现在暂且呢，我会等着它。OK， 我会等着它先回调看看吧，因为现在是在牛市，要做空好像有一点难度哈。OK，All right, so now dollar CAD, we are back into the prevailing bear trend. Dollar CAD, okay, dollar CAD, we are back into a prevailing bear trend today. So looks good as well. Okay, so let me check. Well, dollar CAD, let's see where's the. Okay, this is the support level. We are left with about 20 pips. 20 pips. Okay, so since we are leaving with 20 pips, and I will want to wait for it to go up further up to meet the resistance before I take action. Okay, before I take any action. So the resistance level, if you can see, is here. Okay, that's one. Okay, that's one resistance level. So I'm waiting for it to hit on the resistance, then I will start trading. Okay, if not, this may be dangerous. Okay, so a dollar CAD I can pay attention to. Looks like it's a great setup for tonight. Non-farm payroll to short. Okay, yep. Alright, so let's move again. Dollar CAD, OK， 美加今天我这样一看的话，就有机会做空啊。美加本来就是在熊市 ，OK， 它本来就是在熊市里面的。这个熊市我们这样一看，现在是不是在熊市里面 ？OK， 现在这个熊市里面呢，我们这样一看的话呢，它已经开始在做空了。不过在一些小细节的这个过程里面呢，它没办法突破，所以呢，这样的情况我们就只能等了哈，可能下半场吧哈，这个可能是下半场的这个机会，然后我会等它先回调上去，然后碰到这个压力位置不突破的情况下，我才开始做空 ，OK。Alright, so moving on with dollar franc. Dollar franc, we are in the bull run, so no selling. You are anti-trend trading. So dollar franc is still good for buying. Okay, so let's stay put. The mindset for dollar franc is still on the buy. Okay, even there's a chance that it will start to shut down, start to collapse a little bit. I will tell you, this is just a false front. because it is a retracement in the bull market. So I just hang on and wait for it to come again. All right. Okay. So now let's do this. Okay, let's do this. And dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. Now what we're going to do? Dollar yen is still running very strongly, and now support, after it hits on support, it continue to go. So do we have a chance to sell today? I think dollar yen, I think I would prefer to stay away. Okay, I would prefer to stay away. So that when I stay away, I think lesser risk. Okay, I think lesser risk. So let's no, forget about it. Okay, because today is also a non-farm payroll, so dollar yen it will be a little bit sensitive to me. So I would rather give you a miss today. Okay, all right. Okay, guys. Let me check it out. What do we have here? Okay, so other than this dollar yen, okay, I will say that we have a couple of them to trade. So, but remember to pay more patient to what we are going to hit TP. Okay, so we have Aussie dollar. Okay, we have pound CAD, pound yen, and dollar CAD. Okay, so we have all these. But guys, just pay attention to all these that you need to wait for a resistance. Then please be patient to wait for a resistance. Okay, 好不好? Alright, so that is very important. Okay, so yeah, another thing is that non-farm payroll. Okay, 那么今天这个非农哈。Alright, non-farm payroll. We are all talking. We are very quite of very worried about this non-farm payroll because of talking about the hike. Okay, so the hike rate. Okay, but not to worry so much because I think today the unemployment claims has about 200,000, and Americans are doing very good. That they are still working very hard to provide more. Okay, so I guess tonight probably, okay, before the March, okay, came, okay, before the March come, okay, the March will actually talk about the interest rate, the increase of the interest rate. Okay, that may not to worry about all this. Giving you a lot of stress, a lot of pressure. How, oh my God, if this interest rate going to increase, how am I going to trade in the future? No, don't worry about it. Nothing to do with us. Okay, in fact, it is good for us because it is dollar. Okay. Okay, so I would say, okay, there's a lot of news about the hikes. Okay, but just stay calm. No worries about that. If the interest rate increase, personally, I would say it is good for us. Okay, it is good for us. Why? If the currency is getting stronger, how about the others? You get what I mean? All right, guys. So I think that's about all. Okay, so stay calm. Okay, tonight, okay, we are not going to have a lot of these worries about this how should I say, non-farm payroll. Okay, non-farm payroll. So this is okay. Then just stay calm. If not, just stay away. Okay. Right. So thank you so much, guys. So remember to click on the subscribe button down there. Okay, so that you will still see me. Okay. All right. So remember, stay put. Okay, stay subscribed. And this is every day from ACS Learning Hub. I wish you good luck in your trading today, and also have a great weekend. And I shall see you next week. And next week will be the starting week for my online class as well. All right. So guys, thank you so much. And if you have any question, leave your question below the comment. Okay, and I will get back to you by answering every specific question. Okay, this is everyday from ACS Learning Hub. Thank you so much, and I shall see you again. See you.